celebrating Frank B. Wicks, the maestro who shaped generations. Discover the maestro behind the baton. Who is Frank B. Wicks? Immerse yourself in the world of music education through the life of Frank B. Wicks. Renowned for his exemplary work as a conductor and educator, Wickes has left an indelible mark on countless students and colleagues in the music community. Frank B. Wicks, a luminary in music education, is celebrated for his transformative influence on band conducting and pedagogy. His extensive career has shaped many aspiring musicians, making him a revered figure in the field. Wicks's dedication and passion have earned him widespread respect and admiration. Wicks's childhood was steeped in music. Growing up, he was surrounded by melodies and rhythms, which ignited his lifelong passion. His early exposure to music through family and community events laid the foundation for his future endeavors and set him on a path toward musical excellence. Formerly trained at prestigious institutions, Wickes honed his skills under the guidance of notable mentors. His rigorous education provided him with a deep understanding of music theory and conducting, paving the way for his future success. These formative years were crucial in shaping his approach to music education. Wicks began his career in music education with determination and grit. His first job was challenging, filled with early career struggles that tested his resolve. However, his unwavering commitment to his craft helped him navigate these difficulties, ultimately leading to greater opportunities and achievements in the field. Frank B. Wicks's career breakthrough came when he was appointed director of bands at Louisiana State University. His exceptional leadership and innovative approach quickly elevated the program's reputation. This pivotal moment catapulted him into national recognition, marking the beginning of a distinguished career that would shape the future of music education. During his tenure at LSU, Wicks transformed the university's band program into one of the nation's best. His unwavering commitment to excellence and his ability to inspire students earned him widespread respect. His influence extended beyond the university, impacting music programs and educators across the country through performances, clinics, and workshops. Wicks's teaching philosophy centered on the belief that music education should be both rigorous and inspiring. He emphasized the importance of discipline, hard work, and passion. His approach was holistic, nurturing not just technical skills but also a deep appreciation for music. This philosophy resonated with students and educators alike, leaving a lasting impact. In addition to his teaching philosophy, Wicks was renowned for his innovative conducting techniques. He developed a unique style that emphasized clarity, precision, and expressiveness. These techniques not only improved the performance quality of his ensembles, but also influenced a generation of conductors who adopted his methods in their own work. Throughout his illustrious career, Wicks received numerous awards and recognitions. These accolades were a testament to his extraordinary contributions to music education. His awards, ranging from local honors to national distinctions, highlighted his dedication, talent, and the profound impact he had on the field. Frank B. Wicks was renowned for his work with various honor bands, including regional, national, and international ensembles. His expertise and passion for music allowed him to inspire countless young musicians across the globe. Each performance under his baton was a testament to his dedication and skill in music education. In addition to his teaching, Wicks was a prolific writer, contributing significantly to music literature. His publications provided valuable insights into conducting, music pedagogy, and band literature. These works have become essential resources for music educators, ensuring his influence extends far beyond his direct teaching. Wicks was also a sought-after clinician and workshop leader, sharing his knowledge with educators and students worldwide. His dynamic presentations and hands-on approach left a lasting impression on participants. These sessions fostered a deeper understanding of music and inspired many to pursue excellence in their musical endeavors. After retiring, Wicks remained active in the music community. He continued to attend concerts, mentor young musicians, and participate in music events. His passion for music never waned, and he found new ways to contribute to the field, ensuring his legacy lived on. Personal stories from students and colleagues paint a vivid picture of Wicks's impact. Many recall his unwavering support, insightful feedback, and infectious enthusiasm. These anecdotes highlight his ability to connect with people on a personal level, making him not just a teacher, but a lifelong mentor and friend. Students and colleagues fondly recall Wicks's infectious passion for music. He had an uncanny ability to connect with individuals, making each feel valued and inspired. His humor, wisdom, and genuine care created a nurturing environment, fostering both personal and musical growth. Stories of his mentorship continue to inspire countless aspiring musicians. Wicks's influence on his students was profound and lasting. Many have gone on to become successful musicians and educators, crediting his guidance and encouragement. His belief in their potential often helped them overcome self-doubt, pushing them to achieve excellence. His legacy lives on through their achievements and dedication. Fans and students admire Wicks for his unwavering commitment to music education and his ability to inspire greatness. His relentless pursuit of excellence and his genuine care for his students set him apart. His passion, expertise, and mentoring skills left a lasting impression, making him a beloved figure in the music community. Wicks's inspirational quotes continue to resonate with those who knew him. One of his most memorable sayings was, "Music is the universal language that speaks to the heart." His words often reflected his deep understanding of music's power to unite and inspire. These quotes continue to motivate and guide aspiring musicians. Wicks's conducting style was a blend of precision and emotion, captivating audiences and musicians alike. His expressive gestures and clear communication brought out the best in his performers. This distinctive style not only led to memorable performances, but also set a standard for excellence in conducting, influencing many future conductors. Frank B. Wicks's conducting style was marked by precision and expressive clarity. His movements were economical yet powerful, allowing musicians to follow his guidance intuitively. These traits made his performances not only technically excellent, but also emotionally stirring, leaving a lasting impression on both the performers and the audience. Wickes collaborated with renowned musicians and educators, enhancing his own teaching and conducting repertoire. These partnerships allowed for a rich exchange of ideas and techniques, further solidifying his status as a leading figure in music education. His collaborative spirit was evident in the success of joint projects and performances. Outside of his professional life, Frank B. Wicks enjoyed a rich personal life filled with hobbies and interests. His love for travel and the outdoors provided a balance to his intense musical career. These activities allowed him to connect with nature and find inspiration beyond the realm of music. Wicks's significant contributions to music education have left an indelible mark on the industry. He revolutionized band instruction, introducing innovative techniques that are now standard practice. His commitment to advancing music education ensured that future generations would benefit from his groundbreaking approaches and methodologies. Wicks was actively involved with professional music associations, contributing his expertise and insights to elevate the field. His leadership roles in these organizations helped shape policies and standards, ensuring that music educators worldwide had access to the best resources and support available. One of the most inspirational moments from Wickes' career was when he led his band in a performance at a prestigious international music festival. The standing ovation they received was a testament to his exceptional leadership and the hard work of his dedicated students, solidifying his legacy as a maestro. Frank B. Wicks profoundly impacted music programs at numerous institutions. His innovative methods and passionate teaching reshaped curricula, instilling a deeper appreciation for music in students. Wickes' influence extended beyond the classroom, inspiring countless educators to adopt his techniques, resulting in richer, more dynamic music programs across the nation. Memorials and events dedicated to Wicks have celebrated his contributions and kept his legacy alive. These gatherings bring together former students, colleagues, and music enthusiasts to honor his memory, share stories, and continue his mission. His influence remains a guiding light for those who knew him and those inspired by his work. Wicks's teachings continue to resonate with future generations of musicians. His emphasis on passion, precision, and dedication is passed down through his students, who now mentor new musicians. His philosophies and techniques are embedded in music education, ensuring his impact endures and evolves with each new generation. For those seeking inspiration and insight into music education, subscribing to the Music Educator YouTube channel is a must. Discover more about Frank B. Wicks and other influential figures, and join a community dedicated to celebrating and advancing the art of music education.